Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I review websites and apps to make money online. Most platforms I mention will pay you via PayPal, gift cards, cryptocurrencies, and much more. In today's video, I will make a full review of Gain.gg and withdraw some cryptocurrency towards the end of the video. Gain.gg is a website where you can earn cryptocurrency by completing surveys, offers, and watching videos. You can also redeem your coins to gift cards, but that's currently only available in the US. Gain.gg has been around since 2019, and there are currently over 200,000 members worldwide. To sign up, click on the link in the description below to get your first 100 coins. Then go to the top right corner of this page to sign up with either Google or Steam. Before signing up, make sure you follow those important rules. You are prohibited from using multiple accounts, completing offers on another user's account, or using any type of VPN, VPS, or emulator software. Now that you're aware of those rules, just agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and hit sign in with Google or Steam. I am now on the homepage of Gain.gg, and the first thing you will see are the offer walls. If you're not familiar with offer walls, these are offers you can complete on your phone or on your computer to earn coins that you can then redeem to cryptocurrency. These offers often include installing apps on your phone, playing games and reaching a certain level, etc. I will give you a few examples. If you go to the mobile app section here and choose whether you have an iPhone or Android, you can then click on any of the games here to earn coins. If you finish Crop 8 within 8 days playing Solitaire Grand Harvest, you will earn 6,240 coins. 100 coins is worth 10 cents, therefore 6,240 coins is worth $6.24. You can earn $6.60 by reaching level 22 playing Ebony, the King's Return, or $7.80 reaching level 17 playing King of Avalon, Dominion. There are a lot more offers, as you can see, and it's a great way to earn a little extra if you're into playing games on your phone. Here, you can also complete surveys through various websites such as Your Surveys, Survey Time, or CPX. There is also a whole survey section at the bottom that I will show you in a minute. An interesting way to earn coins is to go to Gain.gg here to claim your daily bonus worth 10 coins. As you can see, I currently have 1,133 coins, and I will now claim my daily 10 coins by clicking here. My balance is now at 1,143 coins. Going down from the home page, you will see the surveys section. The options are CPX Research, Your Surveys, Revenue Wall, and Theorem Reach. You will notice that Your Surveys and Theorem Reach are both blurred out because you first need to earn at least 3,000 coins to unlock them. CPX Research is definitely one of the best survey providers as they pay quite well for the amount spent. Always look for surveys with the most amount of ratings, such as this one here or this one down there. You will mostly qualify as people rated them 5 stars. For Revenue Wall, you will need to enter your information to register. If you already use Revenue Wall on another survey platform, that's also fine as long as you use the same details to confirm your profile. The last section to earn more coins is by watching videos through Hideout TV. I've made a whole video on my YouTube channel about this platform, as you can redeem points earned from Hideout TV to many survey websites. You will not earn many points that way, but it can be a passive way to earn, as I explained in my video. You can click on top of the video now to watch it if you're interested. Due to high levels of fraud, all Hideout TV earnings over 4,000 coins will be placed on a 30-day hold. So my advice to you is to redeem points below that threshold. I will click on one of them now to show you how this looks. So you see on the top left corner that it says The Panda by Hideout TV. Hideout TV actually has a lot of different sub-websites, such as petclips.me, meninja.me, thepanda.me, and probably much more, but they are all owned by Hideout TV, and you can log into them with the same credentials. So I will now log in to show you briefly how this works. Once you log in and videos start showing ads, you should earn points. Once you've watched enough videos and earned points, go down and click on Rewards. You will also have a daily promo code automatically, where you earn a few points. Click on Redeem, then Start Redeem Process, and select the account you want. With the 72 points I currently have on Hideout TV, if I transfer them to gain.gg, I will earn 64 coins. Back to gain.gg, I will show you another way to earn extra coins. Go to the top right corner where your name shows and click on Profile. Go to the very bottom of this page and you will find your referral link. You will earn 5% of all offers completed by your users, and your referred users will also receive 100 coins as a welcome bonus. You can use the link available here or click on Change to modify the ending of your referral link and make it more unique. As promised, I will now withdraw my current balance. There are several cryptos you can choose from, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Dogecoin. Gift cards are currently only available in the US, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. I am based in Ireland, so I'm not sure what kind of gift cards are available to my American viewers. Before choosing which crypto you want to use, note that some have extremely high minimum payouts and fees, such as Bitcoin. The minimum amount to withdraw Bitcoin is 25,000 coins, and the fee is 9,356 coins, which is insane in my opinion. Ethereum has a minimum payout of 10,000 coins, but the fee is 18,322 coins, which is even more insane than Bitcoin. Litecoin, on the other hand, has a very low minimum payout of only 500 coins, and the fee is 0. So that's the one I will choose in a minute. Bitcoin Cash has the same minimum payout as Litecoin, and the fee is also 0. And for Dogecoin, the minimum is 1,500 coins, and the fee is 291 coins. So I could basically choose between Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin, as their fees are at 0, and they both have a minimum payout of only 500 coins. I already have my Litecoin wallet address on hand, so I would choose this one. And I will withdraw all the coins I earned. So I should receive 0.00629,787 Litecoin. Then just hit withdraw. Since I'm not verified, a staff member has been notified and will review my withdrawal shortly. So I will pause this recording and get back to you once they approve my withdrawal and receive my Litecoin. I am now back and received this notification from Binance, which is one of the websites I use for my cryptocurrencies, confirming my Litecoin deposit was successful. I will also show you the amount of Litecoin I now have by going to Wallet, then Overview, then Fiat and Spot. At the very bottom, it shows how many Litecoin I currently have, and if you go to the top right corner, to the deposit withdrawal history, you can see that I got my payment on August 15th at midnight 32 from gain.gg. To sum up, gain.gg is another good survey website where the minimum withdrawal amount is very low. However, I'm a bit disappointed that they don't have a PayPal payout option. I've seen previous reviews of gain.gg and I know that they had this option before, but it's not available anymore. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share, comment, and like this video if you want to support what I'm doing. Thank you all for watching, and don't hesitate to ask me which websites or apps you would like me to test next.